guys, welcome back for review question 11. Today's question is going to ask us a little bit about learning coordinate grids. And so I'm going to hopefully help explain that. So today it says Daniel and Ava each make a number pattern. Daniel's pattern starts at 4 and his rule is add 5. Ava's pattern starts at 9 and has the rule of add 3. Daniel and Ava represent the corresponding terms in patterns with ordered pairs. The ordered pair 4, 9 represents the first term in each pattern. Because remember it says right here, so the ordered pair 4, 9, because it starts at 4 and hers starts at 9. So for each ordered pair, ordered pair in the table, determine whether it represents a pair of corresponding terms. I think a good idea would be to make Daniel's pattern and Ava's pattern. And for this, Daniel is going to represent X and Ava is going to represent Y in our coordinate pairs. So if we look, it says that Daniel starts at 4 and Ava starts at 9. So the ordered pair for that would be 4, 9. And so we could extend Daniel's pattern by adding 5. So 4 plus 5 would be 9. 9 plus 5 would be 14. 14 plus 5 would be 19. And 19 plus 5 would be 24. So we've got Daniel's figured out. Now if we go back up here, it says, Ava says it starts at 9 and has the rule of add 3. So let's go ahead and extend Ava's pattern. So 9 plus 3 would be 12. 12 plus 3 would be 15. 15 plus 3 would be 18. And 18 plus 3 would be 21. Okay, so we've got 9, 12, 14, 15, 18, 18, 19, 18, and this one would be 24, 21. So we've got our ordered pairs. Okay, so then it says, for each ordered pair in the table, determine whether it represents a pair of corresponding terms in Daniel and Ava's pattern by selecting yes or no. Well, our first one is 4, 9, so would 5, 3 work? No. And then we go to the next one. It says 9, 4. Well, 9 is correct for Daniel's, but 4 is not correct for Ava's. We go to the next one, 14, 15. That one works. And then on the next one, 19, 18, 24 works, but the next one should be 18. So we're going to mark no. So that is review question 11. If you participated today, go ahead and give yourself 1 point. Thanks so much.